Hey guys, how's it going? Sorry for the loudness, I'm on this main road here, but this is a ramen place we've been wanting to try for a long time, so this is the first time we're gonna try it. It has really good reviews on Google, and I'll link it down below, and we'll see what we think.
I've always wanted to try that. This one right here. Number 7.
7?
Yeah. It takes 10 minutes to cook though.
Okay. I might get number 6. So if you don't know, a lot of ramen places, and actually food places in general, do this vending machine ticket thing, where you just buy tickets on what you want, and then you go inside and just hand them the tickets that you bought. So you could buy tickets for extra stuff, and buy tickets for the ramen you want, and then you just give them all the tickets and they make your stuff. So I'm gonna try this number 6 here, and we'll put in that, that's what I got, and right here. And then the ticket comes out, and so does the yen. Oh, the cash is up here. And it's down here. Let me tell you a little bit more about this place. So it's a really small place. There's only this seating, and then there's a couple of tables inside right there. You can kind of see. And there's only 3 parking spots in front, and we have one of them, which is nice. Otherwise you gotta park somewhere else. But this isn't your traditional ramen. This is Tsukemen Ramen, which is where the noodles and the broth come separately from each other. So you grab the noodles and then dip it in the broth. But a lot of people do actually prefer tsukemen to regular ramen, even though regular ramen is more well known, because the noodles and stuff don't really get soggy. You get like fresh noodles with the broth, kind of best of both worlds. So yeah, we'll see how this place is. Alright.
This looks
Take this.
amazing.
So this is it here. Noodles and the broth. The broth by itself has like a barbecue chicken flavor. It's pretty good. This ramen just keeps getting better and better. Originally, it has like a barbecue chicken flavor, and I could still taste that, and it's very, very good. But we added the vinegar, the hot oil, I added chili spices, and garlic. This thing tastes so good now. It's amazing. Like, I'm almost not even eating the noodles because the broth is so damn good. The noodles are cold and the broth is hot, so it's a really good mixture of flavors. And what you're supposed to do is take these noodles, dip it in the broth, stir it around a bit, you know, get the broth in there, and then you take them out. Oh boy, I'm having problems though. Take them out, put them in the spoon here. Very good. Oh yeah, that was good. So that was it, guys. That was Keijiro ramen, and it was tsukemen ramen dipping. Overall thoughts?
I liked it. I like it because, and I was gonna say this on my vlog.
Oh.
But I don't normally like ramen, and it's not just ramen. I don't typically like noodles and broth. I don't really like the texture of it. And the one thing I do like about this though is that I can kind of decide how drenched my noodles are in the broth.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give it?
I'll probably give it a 7.
I was gonna say a 7 too.
Like, it's good. It really is. Like, it's just hard in Japan because there's so much good food. So like, I don't know how.
What is it on American scale? 9?
Yeah, I would say so.
Yeah. Compared to America food, 9. Compared to Japan food, 7. I would recommend it though.
Yeah, definitely give it a try. It's not like a regular ramen though, so don't think of it as ramen. I mean, it is, but it's not.
So guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Location is in the description, by the way.